Hello friends, first of all congratulations, you made it through this far. So in this video we're going to start with object oriented programming. So what is the object oriented programming, right? There are main four pillars. One is inheritance, second is polymorphism, third is abstraction and encapsulation. So we're gonna look in this video about the inheritance. So what is the inheritance? So parent class, if there is a code in parent class, we can use in the child class. So what is the difference? So let's say I don't have to repeat the code, so it's going to avoid a duplication. So we're going to learn that's in a practical. So that's where we have more knowledge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new class. So please pay attention. So I already have this class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another class, and I would say class 1. So I created new class, not the method. Okay, so now in that class I'm going to create a method public int add, and so far we were using void, so I'm going to display why we are not using void in this one. Okay, so int I and int k, curly brace, int result equal to, so I plus k. Okay, I plus k. System dot out dot println, and I'm going to printing out result return result. As soon as I say return result, it will give me error because I use the void, right? So I don't want, actually I want return. So what I'm going to do, since I want in int, I'm going to remove the void and I will specify the int, and error is gone. I'm going to create another method inside the class 1, and I'm going to say sub result I minus k, and same thing. Okay, so I do have two result. I'm going to create another class. So I have class 1, I'm going to create another class, and I will specify class 2. In this class I would specify, so I'm going to create another method in that one. So I would say public void. So this time I'm not going to return anything. Okay, multi, so I'm going to do multiplication. Okay, so I would say int result equal to add and multiplication of sub. And I'm going to printing the result. As you can see, I'm getting the error right now. Okay, so why I'm getting the error? Even if I specify the value and 20 and 10, and if you hover over and it says the method is undefined, right? Because that's in a, not this class, that's in a class called 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do, if I want to utilize the same code, either I have to have this code over here in this class, but that's going to be duplication, right? And in a programming we call a dry, do not repeat yourself. So extends, that's what I'm going to add, and 1. So what does this means? And see, error is gone. So it means whatever this class has, on top of this I do have this one. So in this one we have 3 methods, right? Because I am inheriting, or I'm taking all the method from the class 1. So I have add, subtract as well as a multiplication. And another thing I would like to tell, let's say if you want to change a name or something like that, right? So don't change just like this and you're going to use a backspace or something. Instead, because if you change here, then you have to change here also, right? So every time you have to do manually. Instead, what you're going to do, right click on a particular that where you want to change, refactor, and I would say rename. I'm going to make a capital. As you see, even automatically it's changing over here, and enter. So I don't have to worry about, so it's everywhere that's going to be changed. Okay, and now I'm going to create object. So class 2, so 2t equal to new 2 t dot and multiplication, so multi, Control S. Now I'm going to run. As you can see, it's so basically that's, you probably think in a class 2 there is only one method, right? Only multi, and that's the result is 150. But why it's print 15 and 10? Because what we said here, extend 1, right? So it's taking this 2 method as well as, so 5 plus 10 is a 15 and 20 minus 10 is a 10. So that's how you're going to utilize the other class code in a different class by using extend. That's the beauty of the inheritance. So you don't have to like your duplicate of the code. So you can save like a lot of time by this. So hope you like my video, and in the next video we're going to see the another concept. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and we will see you in next video. Bye bye.